Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making goat meat stew recipe with some mackerel fish in it. It's actually goat meat stew recipe, but I just want to add some mackerel fish. You all know I like mackerel fish. Come on guys, let's get started. So here I'm parboiling my goat meat. This is what I like to do. You can choose not to. Before I marinate my goat meat, I will have to parboil it, add some lemon and lime, and then parboil it so I can be able to enjoy my goat meat. To season, I'm going to add some Maggi seasoning, some pink salt, just a little bit, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, some turmeric. Massage everything in. I do not want any oil. You can add oil if you choose, because this fish will give me some oil. I decided to add some fish because I divided this goat meat into 3 parts. 2 parts for the stew, goat meat stew, and then I decided to add some fish, use the remaining one for pepper soup, which I'm going to show you right in another video. The goat meat will bring out some oil, the fish will bring out some oil. So I want natural oil from both the fish and the goat meat. So I'm going to set it in and allow it to grill. Yeah, this is it guys. Healthy marinade. I'm going to go in and allow it to grill and come back. We'll give it about 45 minutes. So go ahead and clean your peppers. Make sure you wash nicely because you don't want sand in your food. Do you like a lot of onion in your food? I just don't know. With me, I love onions. We have some tomatoes already, but I love chilies in my stew also. And in my pepper soup, it gives me some very beautiful taste. I don't know if you have tried this. This is just a quick dinner. I just got everything I have in my freezer, and yeah. I'm going to blend all of this now. I'm adding some chili because I like it hot and spicy. Guys, please feel free to skip these peppers. If you don't eat spicy, you mustn't use these peppers. You can go ahead and use red bell pepper. You can also use green bell peppers. It doesn't have spice in it, so that can also serve as your peppers if you don't eat spicy. All right, do not say you saw me adding too much spice and then you're going to add it's too hot. Okay, I eat spicy, that's why you see me doing this. So we're going to blend. Here I have my tomato cooking. This is my fresh tomatoes and all the rest of them. I just needed to parboil my tomatoes for a little bit. Tin tomatoes. I have my tomatoes. It's been cooking. I'm just going to add this tomato paste. I want it to cook together. I'll just go in with oil, and yeah, that's the way I'm going about this. We want to be as quick as we can. It's a beautiful way to make your stew also. Parboil your tomatoes and add some fresh items also. It's beautiful. It's a very wonderful recipe, and I'm sure you would love to try this. I like to cook my food certain way and get the best results. I'm adding all my blended peppers. I'm going to mix it in and give it like 2 minutes to come together before I add my. Just allow it to cook for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Just to get rid of that taste from canned tomatoes. At this point, you can add a little salt. I'm going to go in with some groundnut oil. This is about 3 cups, I guess. I'm measuring with my nose. I'm measuring with my eyes, guys. Don't add too much oil, that's all I'm going to say. like thick stew, guys. Small drop, it will go round. Whether you're eating with beans or rice or bread or yam, it is always very, very beautiful. It is very good to parboil your tomatoes. It makes it faster. It's ready, guys. I'm going to add it into the stew. When you use certain methods for your cooking, it makes cooking very easy for you. I'm going to open up our stew. Good job. Guys, we are ready to eat any moment from now. Our delicious goat meat stew recipe is ready. Do you want to try it? Go ahead. You're going to love it. I'm going to add my goat meat into the stew. That way it will start getting to know each other. I want that goat meat to soak into that stew. You know what I mean? Yeah. With all this goat meat juice. So guys, I'm going to add some of my juice, which I'm going in with. Guys, please help me give this video a massive thumbs up. If you have watched till this moment, you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. And I want to say thank you so much for helping me to share my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you guys enough. Like, you are the reason why I'm here doing this all the time, trying to show you meal ideas that will be very favorable for you and your family. Children love this stew recipe a lot. Like, for me, in my house, we love this very recipe. Fish and meat. It can be beef, it can be chicken with fish stew. Trust me, you can use it to eat anything, like yam. You can sometimes use it to make sandwich. You can sometimes use it to eat beans, yeah, spaghetti, and so on. And trust me, you will really love that you have this stew at home. Or seasoning, because my goat meat is well seasoned, like you saw from the beginning. I'm going to have a taste now. Absolutely delicious. With the juice, it tastes so fantastic. Our stew is ready. Everything came out so good. Guys, let me know if you like to try your goat meat stew recipe like this. This is good for your rice, especially for this cold weather. You know that kind of stew mommy used to make when it's raining? That's what I made with goat meat. And I'm going to add some fish by the side, but this is goat meat stew. This is how I went about it. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, if you like onion like myself, you can go in with more onion. Even though, remember, I blended a lot of onion to this when I was cooking. Yeah, before I parboiled my tomato, there were a lot of onion. Onion can never be enough. Trust me, you can only have more onion in any food you're cooking. But trust me, this is so delicious. We enjoyed the stew with white rice. We enjoyed it with yam. We enjoyed it with bread. And it's so beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. If it's something you're going to try, drop your comments. Let me see your comments in the comment section. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you all. See you in my next video.